So, I think a lot of people at some point have made an Altoids survival tin. Now, I was cleaning some stuff up today, and I found this one. I haven't carried this in over a year, and it was probably 2 years ago that I made it. No idea what's in it. So I started thinking to myself, if I had this with me now and I got into a situation where I needed to survive something, is there anything in here that would help me? Because I honestly don't know what's in it. So, it's sealed. It's got electrical tape wrapped around the outside. It looks like maybe a couple rows. There's a couple layers of heavy-duty duct tape on the bottom. How many are there? Four pieces, so 1.5 inches by 3 inches. So, let's break into this and see what's in it. Electrical tape's nice because it doesn't lose its stickiness, and it will make this basically waterproof. So what have we got here? About 2 feet, give or take, of electrical tape. So, now it's just like Christmas. What is in here? What do we have? We have one non-adherent pad. First aid. One Band-Aid. One Sting Relief medicated pad. One antiseptic towelette. So far so good. Some cordage here. This is, I think it's braided Dacron. I think it's fishing line. I believe it's 50 or 60 pound test. Probably quite a bit there. I don't want to spool it, but that's what that is. More fishing line. That looks, I don't know what pound test it is, but braided, probably spider leather, Spectra line of some sort. Power Pro probably, that's what I usually use. More duct tape. This is the same as the duct tape that's on here. It is 1 inch wide. It looks like it's been split and rolled. Okay. One ferrocerium rod. However, is there anything to strike it with? Maybe not. One small piece of fat wood. So we have tinder and we have an ignition source. Do we have anything we can strike it with though? I don't know. I don't know yet. One safety pin. Fishing hooks. I used a piece of duct tape, apparently. Stuck all the little hooks and weights on, and then put a piece of cellophane down over top of it. And there are hooks under here. You're going to have to take my word for it, because, well, you can just barely see them there. I'm not, this doesn't want, this, if I try to peel this off, it's going to rip. So, does that make sense? There's a bit of a fishing kit. Oh, more fishing line. Some sort of possibly monofilament. Something. There you go. There's that. What else do we have here? We're getting to the bottom here. There are a few flat things at the bottom. Piece of tin foil. Hold it up carefully. It's just tin foil, there's nothing inside it. I don't think. Nope. So, piece of tin foil, I guess you could foil some water in that if you had to. I don't know. Here we are. And I don't know if this would help you or not. A cutting utensil. Just try to get this. I'm trying to open this carefully. If I can. I'm just gonna rip it all though. Like, whatever. Yeah, perfect. Rewrap it. Here we are. A cutting utensil. There is a small needle. which I guess would go well with thread if you had to. Ooh, you had to suture yourself. You could do it with that. Sharp-ish. You could disinfect it and then stitch yourself up. And this would probably be why you'd have to stitch yourself up, because it is just a piece of a razor knife with no handle of any sort. Yeah, I don't really know. I don't know. I mean, you could definitely cut yourself with it. You could probably cut other stuff with it. Shave some of that down. Imagine it would throw a spark off of this. Maybe not. Yeah, there we go. Okay. It will throw a spark off of that. So, what do you think? If all of a sudden I was in the middle of nowhere and this is all I had, would I survive? I don't know. I guess it's better than nothing. Although, I don't know. Don't know how you'd survive with that. And there's really not anything shelter related there. You could probably get a fire going. Maybe. You don't really have any way to make or process firewood. This little blade here is not sharp. Probably more for doing surgery on yourself than anything else. Yeah. If you had a couple insect bites, maybe, I don't know. If you're hungry and you're near a lake. I have caught fish using this line and a couple of these heavier sinkers and just hand lining with the single hook. And it's quite a fun experience. You take 15 feet of this or so and you just, it's a lot of fun. But you could use a bit of this as for shelter building, I guess, if you could find some way to cut the material. Back to our knife issue. But if you don't have any way to cut materials for shelter, then I'm not sure how helpful cordage would be, because if you're not cutting, you're probably just going to end up like with a debris shelter, and you're just piling stuff on anyways. So, well, maybe you could fashion a bit of tinfoil into a hat so that the government couldn't read your mind while you were in the woods or something. Anyways, I'd like to hear what you think. Do you think you could survive with this? For how long? Where? Anyways, thanks.